Hey everyone, it is week 4 of wellness, and in this video, I'm going to take you through what it is that we did and are doing in wellness this week. So, what we did on Monday and Tuesday was we reviewed some of the expectations for the weekly journals. And I'll be doing this periodically throughout our time together. So, I'm not going to include that in this video. But please remember that you can check and should check the scoring guide and the example that's provided on all of the weekly journals. The next thing that we do in class and did in class Monday and Tuesday is we reviewed a lesson called What is Stress and the Stress Appraisal Process. I'm going to be uploading a video of that lesson so that this video that you're watching doesn't get too long. So check out the page, What is Stress and the Stress Appraisal Process, in the week 4 folder to see the video version of that lesson if you would like to review any parts of it. Then I gave students some time to complete an exit ticket to demonstrate their understanding of the lesson, and I directed you to choose a stress relief activity to try for week 4. On Thursday and Friday of this week, I'm going to give the first 15 minutes of wellness class to do a check-in survey. And then I'm just going to be giving you all some time to complete the things from earlier this week. I've noticing just in some of my other classes that students feel a little overwhelmed right now this week. And with all the pending changes to hybrid, I wanted to give you guys, and with all of the changes of moving it to hybrid, I wanted to give you all kind of a minute to take a beat and get caught up and feel good before we move forward with our learning. So after the wellness check-in, you'll be free to stay on the Zoom or to leave to finish your activities from earlier in the week and to write your week 4 journal response. So the 2 items that are due are the exit ticket, what is stress and the stress appraisal process, and your week 4 journal. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's everything that's in the week 4 journal. So of course you have the week 4 directions, which I essentially just went over with you in our calendar. At the top is the lesson, what is stress and the stress appraisal process. And as soon as that video that I made is finished loading, that video will appear right here. And so you'll be able to review it if there's something you want to look over again, and you'll be able to visit it if you are just seeing it for the first time. So I'm going to go ahead and show you too that this is where you'll click to complete the exit ticket. There is a question that involves ordering the steps of the stress appraisal process. And so you'll want to use your mouse, kind of like what I'm going to do now, to slide the different sentences to their spot. So that's kind of how that works, just in case you've never seen that before. Of course, since it's a new week, you'll also pick your stress relief choice from the bingo board. Well, not the bingo board, the choices board, and be thinking about that while you are doing that activity over the week. Just to remind you, and this is another thing we went over as part of the expectations, journals should not be submitted early. And while you're completing your activity, you really should be thinking throughout the week about how your stress is or is not impacted by that activity, so that your journal responses are nice and thorough. And that pretty much wraps up everything that we did on Monday and Tuesday. And then on Thursday and Friday, I'm going to give you some time to complete this check-in survey, to write your week 4 journal, and if you didn't finish your exit ticket, to do so. And you'll have some time on the Zoom to do the check-in. Then I'll give you an option to leave to complete any missing work that you have or work that you need to complete to end the week. That is all. Thank you all so much, and I will see you next time.